Welcome to this explainer. Look, today we are diving into something absolutely momentous. We're literally watching this massive, unprecedented wave of artificial intelligence crash right into one of the most foundational pillars of human civilization. I'm talking, of course, about the legal industry. Now, if you're a law firm manager, a managing partner, or a director of legal ops, listen up, because this is not just your standard tech update. No way. This is a totally new way to navigate the future. Today we are unpacking some incredible insights from Max Junestrand over at Legora to see how AI is stepping up from just a basic tool into a truly reliable partner for managers, and how you can successfully ride this rising tide. Let's get into it.
Think about this for a second. Law isn't just filing paperwork. It's literally one of the oldest jobs in the world. It is the very process of interpreting the rules and structuring our entire society. That is some serious historic weight, right? Bringing brand new cutting-edge technology into such a traditional high-stakes field is a huge deal. You really can't just toss a flashy new gadget at a firm and hope for the best. The tech absolutely has to respect the gravity of the work.
Section 1. The oldest job meets AI. A paradigm shift. We are watching this industry change right before our eyes. Up until right now, no technology in history could actually handle language and reasoning. Sure, we had word processors, we had search engines, but large language models, they actually process logic. They understand context and semantic meaning. And because they can actually reason through text, the whole paradigm is flipping. Think about the old way for a minute. Purely manual, solitary human effort. We all know the drill. The universally dreaded late nights just combing through endless documents. But now, enter the Legora workspace. It completely reimagines how the work gets done. It's a dynamic setup where work happens by a human, an AI agent, or, and this is where the magic happens, in totally seamless collaboration between the two. You're no longer just staring down a blank page. You've got an active, reasoning assistant right there in the trenches with you.
Section 2. Simplifying complex legal tasks, accelerating daily operations.
So as a manager, you're probably thinking, well, that sounds amazing in theory, but how does this actually help my bottom line? How does it speed up my team's day? Legora goes straight after the huge bottlenecks that absolutely drain your associates' time. I'm talking reviews, drafting, and research. Those are the lifeblood of a practice, but let's be real, they're also the biggest time sinks. So what Legora does is bind all of these complex tasks together into one cohesive workspace. Your team isn't bouncing around between 5 different apps just to read a case, draft a memo, and review a contract. The whole shebang happens in one place, which means it happens way faster. And here's the absolute game changer for firm managers. This speed doesn't ruin the quality. By centralizing everything, it actually enhances the final product.
Section 3. Mastering nuance and context. The critical details.
Now you might be wondering, how do you get an AI to stop sounding like a generic robot and actually sound like a seasoned partner at your specific firm? Because in law, being 95% correct, that just doesn't cut it. The terminology, the phrasing, the exact structure of a clause, every single detail matters. It all comes down to context-specific nuance. It's that critical ability to precisely match the drafting style of an existing document or even a specific lawyer's unique voice. And Legora totally nails this, because they leverage Anthropic's Claude models, specifically Claude Opus. Max Junestrand pointed out that Claude Opus is extraordinarily good at this super fine, nuanced drafting. As a manager, you don't want a tool spitting out generic fluff that your senior partners just have to rewrite anyway. You need tech that gets your firm's specific voice, and that's exactly what this does.
Section 4. Riding the AI tide. Rapid technological velocity.
The speed at which this tech is moving is wild. Imagine month 1 is just our baseline. Boom, by month 3, entirely new capabilities are unlocked. Month 6, it happens all over again. What we have right now is quite literally just the starting line. Max used this fantastic metaphor for it, a rising tide. Anthropic pushes out new capabilities roughly every 3rd month. It is constant, continuous AI propulsion. And what Legora does is build their boat directly on top of that rising tide. So your system, it automatically gets better with every single new model release. You aren't stuck dealing with clunky legacy software that's obsolete in 2 years. You're basically surfing the most advanced tech curve in human history.
Section 5. Choosing your AI partner. Placing your strategic bet.
And this brings us to why all of this is so absolutely crucial for your strategy. You're not just going a software license anymore. You are picking a highly reliable AI partner. In a world moving this insanely fast, your edge comes down to velocity. You want to back the horse that's running the fastest. Legora embeds these anthropic models deep into their system, creating this constant exchange of ideas. What's working, what isn't? For a managing partner or operations director, that is the ultimate peace of mind. If your firm goes all in on Legora, they go all in on you. It's a long-term, symbiotic relationship built to keep your practice on the absolute bleeding edge of legal tech without you having to build it all from scratch. I want to leave you with a really thought-provoking question today. What will your firm achieve when the constraints on how much you can do finally disappear? Because, folks, that is the reality we are walking into right now. The historical limits, how many pages a human can read, how fast research can be synthesized, those limits are vanishing. The firms that actually harness the power of this AI partnership are going to achieve so much more. It's such an exciting time for the legal industry, and I really hope this explainer helped you see how to navigate this rising tide. Keep learning, keep pushing those boundaries, and we'll catch you next time.